Wonder is a mysterious thing, especially if it's the definition of one person. Power locked in like dynamite. She's also a small package. They say she was delivered here by the Peace Corps program, striding confidently on the corridors in her German print couture. Syllables proceed from her mouth like a perfectly conducted symphony. Montemarano. I catch a sprinkle of her last name as it proceeds from her mouth like butter. The village has been buzzing about her since her arrival. I don't know how she managed to ambush the poor, the sick, and the lost. She's bursting at the seams with love and energy, rounding up the troops and making a party of perfection. There's adventure in her eyes and a boldness in her compassion. She's full of promise. Here in the boardroom, she introduces herself again. Montemarano is my name. This time I cannot escape her charm. In conversation, I whisper my fragile past and present into her palm. My life suddenly changes into a routine of movie nights, exchanging books, and dinner. Shrimp, my favorite, coupled with delicious jollof rice. America fell in love with West Africa and borrowed Botswana their assorted product. Laughter is rampant as we analyze the first and second episodes of the Girl series. Culture shock is welcome at this time. A revelation to break down the walls of perception. A friendship is forged between me, her, and Kiara the cat. Daniella has stubborn faith in everyone. A hand-picked number of her friends form her closest collage, all diverse, extravagant, and humble. She sees potential in me that I cannot trust. She pours me a cup of ambition. I am trained to dream again and to power my confession. On the corridors, her shine travels like a ray of light, leaving her legacy wide open, raising servants to leaders. Here and now, the forgotten takes center stage. She writes affirming words on her fridge magnets and on her mirrors to reaffirm who she is in ambition and in character. Her personality is laughter, and her culture is the wind. Her home is here in Africa, and we miss her now. The dusty roads of Mao sing her name like lullabies. From the thrill of the untamed nature in the Savuti to the glowing sunsets of the Zorilo Hills, the land remembers Daniella Montemarano. That's how I remember her now, her animated features and her fast-paced steps, her authentic realism. A will to learn, to do, and to outdo oneself. But in hope and in kindness we will remain, here in blue, black, and white, to build and advocate still for everything she pioneered.